The Clarity Act is about to pass, and I think the Clarity Act passing could potentially send XRP to $7 to $10 in less than a year. Nearly 10 Democrats want the Clarity Act to pass. Check it out.
There are 7 to 10 Democrats who sound like they want to ultimately pass a bill, but this is just very hard for them politically. Even if they like the underlying bill, they're going to face challenges in Democratic primaries from their own base.
This is very big. So the new updated text, the Democrats favor it. The Democrats favor it. And this was the major hurdle preventing the Clarity Act from getting done. And it is our speculation based on the information from Coinbase that we spoke about yesterday. We have the video on my last XRP video. Check that out from yesterday. And the chief guy at Coinbase says that he is expecting a Senate floor vote on early as Monday. So in just less than a week. That is bullish. And this is the next major catalyst that's going to be pumping XRP incredibly. This catalyst alone could take XRP $5 to $7 in the next year. It is that big. It's going to pump cryptos. I think it's going to take Bitcoin to all-time highs. It's absolutely insane. And even the SEC chair, look at what he says. He says he's prepared to establish crypto regulations if Congress fails to pass the Clarity Act. So if they don't pass the Clarity Act, which I think is going to get done, the SEC has a plan B.
We are ready, willing, and able to come out with rules, that address the same issues in Clarity and other aspects of the crypto market. Ultimately, we need the certainty of a statute that will help future-proof so that we have clear direction and to go for.
So the SEC even has a backup plan, even if it doesn't get passed. So if it doesn't get passed, the SEC has a backup plan. The SEC is now pro-crypto, guys. They are pro-crypto. This guy's a pro-crypto guy. And that is a new person that Trump has put in office. Look at this. Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong calls on the U.S. Senate to pass the Crypto Clarity Act. Clear rules are almost here. Today, we had FOMC, and they did not hike rates like I told you all. And the market's going quite volatile today. And that is because the 30-year yield treasury soars to the highest level since the global financial crisis. And I believe that was 2007. So this is causing the stock market to panic. It's causing everyone to panic. But I believe that we are going to be just okay. And there was a 9-3 vote on rate hikes. So 9 people voted to keep rates steady. 3 voted to hike rates. So there was 3 dissents, and that's something that we haven't seen quite the first time since 2016. This is bullish, guys. If we go to the markets, I want to share with you guys something. This is honestly insane. So if we go to XRP, which is green on the day, XRP outperformed the majority of cryptos today, but XRP is still holding. It is still holding. Yes, it's very choppy. They pumped it up today, it dumped back down. You take a look at the stock market, the NASDAQ dumped 3% after FOMC. During FOMC, it's just a very volatile time period, but it is bouncing. So there's just a lot of panic. The markets are heavily volatile when there's FOMC, when there's data events. But XRP looks like this might be a local bottom here at $1.04. We're going to watch and pay attention. But until Bitcoin breaks and holds above $67,000 here, I don't see anything crazy happening in the market. And if Bitcoin begins to break under 61, to break under this level here, then we could see some more downside. But for now, it's just chopping. And I think the Clarity Act is going to take the market from this choppy, range-bound market to a strong trending market like we saw in April and May. And I think it's about to happen. I think a very big move is coming. If the Clarity Act gets passed, the market is going to pump. And I think within a year's time, guys, probably less than that, with the Clarity Act getting passed, it's going to literally unlock trillions of dollars to crypto. This could send XRP to $7. We can go to $7 to $10. And there is enough liquidity for it with the Clarity Act passing, because all these banks and institutions, like $40 trillion, and there's even more, have direct access to buy crypto, that want to buy crypto. These people want to buy crypto, and it can send cryptos to the moon. And I think this could happen in less than a year. Remember, XRP pumped from 50 cents to nearly $4 in a very short period of time. And I think it's gonna happen for XRP here in the short term. So make sure you guys join my free Telegram community. This is where I post constant alpha. You guys wanna know exactly what's happening in the markets, join that. We have a chat you guys can join. And also, if you guys are gonna be trading cryptos today, I highly recommend you guys check out Toobit. You're gonna have 0 spot fees, the cheapest fees with VIP3 with my link below. We also trade over on Blofin. So if you guys want another platform to trade on, we trade on Toobit, Blofin. Check out the links in my video description. They're there to help you make money, especially join the free community. And yesterday we had some big profitable trades. And this is where I give these trade alerts in the VIP community. So if you guys want access to that, join the VIP. You guys have a free trial. So check that out today. If you guys got anything out of this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on, and I will see you later.